Si Francis. Actually, maganda yung career ni Francis sa corporate world. Pero ang pinaka-goal niya talaga is magkaroon ng time freedom. Actually, time and financial freedom. Kasi sobra daw yung demand sa kanya sa work. Nagsimula siya dati na sobrang hirap na hirap siyang intindihin yung basics ng Forex. Pero ngayon, kumikita na siya consistently and ang pinakamalaki niyang kinita is $10,000 in one day. So yan yung screenshot. Tapos, ang overall na profit niya in just 4 months ay $230,000. Ngayon, mas malaki na ang natutulong niya financially sa family niya.
Good morning.
Kamusta, Sir Francis?
Okay lang, I'm good. Maganda yung weekend. Looking forward to the weekend. Spend time with family, recharge from work. So, tsaka ngayon, looking forward to this particular discussion. Check and see, kumusta lahat, yun lang.
So, kamusta sa pagpayag ha? Kasi I'm sure talaga nakita ko kasi yung mga trades mo, sobrang dami kang ma-inspire talaga. And ayun, sige, bago tayo mag-start, siguro tell us a little bit about yourself muna. Kung ano yung background mo, what you do.
Yeah. I'm in my 40s, hindi lang mukha, pero matanda na po ako. In my 40s, I'm a dad, so I have 2 wonderful kids. I'm actually working to for our 3rd kid. So hopefully soon, karoon kami ng next baby ng wife ko. I am in the corporate world. I'm still working as a career executive ako. I've actually been in multiple leadership responsibilities sa malalaking kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas. So it's a very interesting story actually. Corporate responsibility wherein you work so much for someone and then at sometimes frustrate ka because mahirap talaga yung trabaho. Tsaka gusto ko talaga mag-spend ng more time with my family. Especially talaga siya eye-opener siya sa akin nung namatay yung dad ko. So as much as I can right now, I try to spend more time with my mother kasi I don't know hanggang kailan na lang yung mom ko and also hopefully she can still be with us pagka nandiyan na yung pangatlo kong anak, but trying my best to be the man of our family. Tsaka ang isa ko pang trigger is alam mo yun, ang trabaho ko kasi is I'm always focused on driving profitability for the companies that I work for. Diba? Lagi kong tinitignan yung mga income statement, lagi kong gumagawa ng paraan para ma-maximize yung profits ng mga kumpanya that I work for. Tapos sa isip ko, nagagawa ko yun for other companies, how come hindi ko yun magawa sa sarili ko and for my family? So talaga yung driving force ko behind it is for my family talaga.
So more on talaga time freedom and syempre mag-enjoy talaga with your family.
Yeah. So, kasi dami mong mamimiss Napaka-demanding kasi ng corporate leadership responsibilities. Practice lang talaga yan, paulit-ulit.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sir Francis. Grabe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa time mo and grabe sobrang dami mong na-inspire. Actually, kahit ako sobrang na-inspire talaga ako. Kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman yung buong story mo talaga Kasi nakikita ko lang yung mga wins mo, yung mga ibang posts mo. Pero yung buong story mo, sobrang na-inspire talaga ako. And sobrang thankful ako na dito ka ngayon. So, salamat ng madami.
Ako, I'm actually looking forward. Kaya nga nung nagsascalp ako, hindi ako masyado pang sabi ko, parang hindi pa ako ready maging an individual to provide that level of information or guidance kasi scalping is not a sustainable practice. It's good for quick wins, pero in the long term, if you like what we say, you want to spend more time with your family, scalping is not the way to go.
Oh. So magta-transition na tayo.
Talagang kaya ako nagta-transition to Marami pa kailangan matutuhan. Pero yun nga, ang gusto ko kasing magawa is how we will show you how we will convert $100 to $75,000. And yun ang gagawin natin,
Right.
show you how to do that.
That's the goal.
That's the goal.